Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can change your Gmail birthday successfully. So this is very important that if you don't know about your birthday date, then it will very problematic when your ID will be hacked. Okay, so if someone hack your ID, then your birthday date will be needed for recovering your Gmail ID. So you have to memorize this birthday. Okay, so if you have given the wrong birthday, then you can change it later. So in this video you will learn how can you create your exact birthday so that you can memorize this birthday. Okay, so before the tutorial starts, you are sincerely requested that please subscribe to the channel, and if you face any problem regarding Android smartphone apps, social media related topics, then you can let me know. I will show you the solution video. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So we need to go Gmail account or Gmail apps. You can see here the right side Gmail, then click on this, and here you can see that here you can this is my email ID, and we need to click this one, the right top corner, click on it. Then this is my email ID, and you have to click here Google account. Okay, just click on it, simply click on it. Okay, wait few seconds, and then we are getting this interface. Okay, so we need to go this section here, personal information. So this is personal information section. From this section you can easily change your birthday. So this one, okay, birthday. Okay, this is birthday. Okay, click on it. Okay, so here you can see that the month, so you can easily click on this, and then you can choose your birthday and day. You have to write this birthday, so I just write this, and your year. Okay, so I just write this. Okay, after setting all this thing, then choose who can see your birthday. So this is option that if you click only me or only you, that means just only see your birthday, no one can able to see your birthday date. Okay, so if someone check your profile, Gmail profile, then they aren't able to check your birthday without you. Okay, so if you choose this one, N1, then everyone can see your birthday date. So this is risk to me, so I just prefer to you select this one. So after setting all this thing, just simply click here, you can see save. Okay, so click on this. Okay, so they give us confirmation code that you are 26 years old. Is that correct? So after doing all this, you just go to confirm. Okay, so here you can see that your birthday has been updated. So friend, I think I hope this video was very helpful for you. So if you think that this video work for you, then please like this video and comment below. I want to know your opinion for this video, and please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a nice